When building a roof runoff system, always use Y fittings. Never use a T fitting, always use a Y fitting. That way the water is flowing in a direction. You want to keep your Ys with the direction of flow. Always vent your gutter downspouts. Always vent them. So many reasons why you want to have a vent. You want to be able to access that line with a camera, with some heat cable, with a garden hose. You never know what you may need to access that line for. Now, an inline catch basin, if you have shingles, is a must. You need it to catch all the shingle gravel. Now, if you're taking your roof runoff system to a pop-up, you want to make sure that you build it so that the water left in the pipe at the end of the pipe can leach into the subsoil. We like to put a piece of knife cut pipe with some sock over it on the end of our downspout drains, and then we'd like to build our pop-up as a soak away. So it's like a mini dry well. We have a bottomless pop-up. So after moving all the bulk water, the water left in that pop-up will be able to leach into the subsoil, all the surrounding soil, because we put drainage fabric underneath that pop-up, and then we're going to fill it with a pocket, a drainage stone. So any water left behind can now leach in all the surrounding soils. By building your gutter downspout line to leach any excess water into the subsoil, you prevent any mosquito breeding as well as pungent odors. Other advantages is in the north, this line will not freeze up because after moving all the bulk water during weather that's warm enough to move water when it's liquid, it will leach into the subsoil. When winter comes, you will not end up with a frozen block of ice in the end of your downspout line. This is extremely important. You want your underground buried downspout system to be waiting and ready when there's a thaw. If you have a line that's froze up and then you have snow melting on the rooftop, you're going to end up with it damming. That's going to build up ice when it later freezes in the evening. You can put the native soil right over top of the knife cut with the sock. You will have soil left over once you're finished your installation. Remember, a 3-inch pipe takes up less area than a 4-inch pipe, so it's a lot easier to install. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports our channel. And if you have any more questions about downspouts, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.